Hello guys, how are you today? I'm going to clean my car because I have a driving lesson for today for an hour. So yeah, my car is a mess, so I'm gonna just clean it, the window and outside as well. So how are you today guys? Hope you have a wonderful day.
I'm gonna clean Scarlet.
My car named Scarlet, so yeah, meet my car Scarlet. It's my first time to have a driving lesson, so good luck to me and good luck to the driving lesson.
Insurance. Oh my god. Got my comb here. So yeah. So for my combs and the same touch. My dirty combs. Hi hi. Hello. You gonna drive? You gonna drive? Drive. You want to drive? You want to drive? You want to drive?
Anong ganap today mga kasis, kainday? Oh my god, I got hiccups. Hi. Give them a flying kiss. Muah. Muah. Say I love you all. Say I love you all. I love you all. She's so cute, but watch her when she's in the terror mode.
Anyway guys, I'm just going to clean up all my mirrors.
Ang bilis ng ang bilis ng panahon, ma-March na soon. Parang kailan lang. Brianna's already 1 year old. She just turned 1 year old last February 8. What's wrong? You sleepy? Oh, parang kahapon lang. She is so tiny. And yeah, I got some old picture of her when she's still a baby. Oh my god, she's so cute.
Pero matigas pa rin siya. Look. Yan ako ikilay ko. Wala akong kilay. Yan siya oh. Nakikilay pa naman. Nagkilay na no? Kilay mo. Natulog talaga siya guys. Ano na to? Para na to mamaya. Wala, palaki ko. So kasi sa kilay ko, parang natural looking. Kaya gusto ko maghatak. Hindi siya pantay. Hindi siya pantay guys.
guys, I just got home. So far so good. Not too bad for a first driving lesson at all, but I am a little bit nervous and a little bit, yeah, but yeah, anyway. Good luck to me next time again. Yeah, I'm a little bit hungry after all that driving lesson is done. A little bit hungry. No, I don't want some rice. Want to eat some rice. Yum. I'm cooking chicken tinola. Yan, tanglad. My friend gave me some pawpaw or papaya. Got dahon sili here, see, from my garden, fresh from my garden. Kakain yan guys, walang diet muna ngayon. Yan guys, kain tayo. Yum!
Wala munang diet. Dahon ng sili, papaya, rice,
Look ka guys, look at that guys. Ubos ang sa kalderong kanon. Look. Like kuan man gud diet karon. So hi guys, good morning. We are here outside. Namin yung panganay ko kasi nag-wait kami ng bus at saka yan, nakasakay na siya ng bus. At ngayon nandito kami sa labas. Habang nandito kami sa labas, sit down please, sit down, say hi, baba, hello. You can see I'm holding this one because look, yes, ayun yung aking garden. Ayun, nabuhay na yung malunggay at saka may ano po, kamote tops or sweet potato, yeah. At saka andito yung chili. Tapos I got some lemongrass or tanglad. And look.
nabuhay na ulit yung mga tangkang ko. Nagplanta ko ulit at nabuhay na siya. So excited about it. Ay, baba! Kaya binunot na namin yung potato. Sweet potato, yan siya yung the old one.
At yan, hindi ko siya tinanim. Tumubo lang siya. At saka ayan o. Ang ano niya na. See? Napakalabong niya na. Napaka ano na. Lago. Malago na. Yeah.
So, same pala. Yung mango ko doon. And we need to mow our lawn yet. So, ano.
Anyway guys, ayan o. Share ko lang yung aking garden beds. Ito, maliit lang siya guys. So, look. Ayan. So, my husband helped me to build this one. Tapos, yung lupa na ginamit namin ay binili talaga namin yan. Diyos ko, Ginoo. Yes. Not dito ay bibilin. But it's alright naman. Tsaka yung ano talaga, yung malunggay ko talaga. I'm so happy with my malunggay. Kasi akala ko namatay na talaga siya. But no, it's not. So anyway guys, yung anak ko gusto ng... Hi!
Hi, what you doing? Oo, careful. Gusto nang bumaba. Kasi naman, pag bumaba siya, tumatakbo pupunta dun sa ano.
Pupunta sa kalsada. Ngayon lang yung kalsada doon. Sili. Gusto niya ng sili guys. Ayun o, mayroon akong sili. Mahaba. Masarap to sa paksiw. Gusto ko ko na ulit magpaksiw. May ano ko doon. Bangus sa aking freezer. Maybe I'm going to paksiw that one. And yeah, I'm so happy with my kangkong. Look, kangkong. So happy with my kangkong. Kasi naman, umubo na siya. Kasi dati wala yan. Ang ginawa ko, pinipitas ko sila. Ganun. Tapos, nire-replan ko. Parang ganyan. Parang ganyan. Tsaka ito. Yan. Tutubo na rin yan. So anyway guys, see you later. Bye for now.